Look at this. So much.
For the vegetable that we use in the class today, I would like to use from this one because it's from Heat Organic Farm. It's all of us today. This type of coriander, it's a little bit stronger. You put in soup when you went to. And then this is the butterfly pea flower for blue sticky rice tonight. Just boil in the water for making blue. How strong of blue do you want? You can decide. Like.
All these
I used to live
teas.
in Bangkok for 3 months, but it's not.
This is really good. It's like a sweet tea, pandanus tea, and then they have like different sets, so you can do this, and this is like curry sets.
Bangkok.
This is the biggest knife I've ever held in my life. I'm like terrified.
That's the only knife.
And this is garlic, shallot, dry radish, tofu.
Chelsea, you making coconut, right?
Yeah.
And the rest of you are making tom yum, right? Yes. Okay,
Now we're about to make this.
Okay. So this is the palm oil.
I'm gonna die.
You have to use the move the egg around. 1 and 2. And then rice noodle. Put inside here.
The finished product of part 1. Here's my coconut soup.
What for you?
Well, Mei, Lola May. They're making the curry paste.
Like that. Oh my gosh! Faster, stronger, faster, harder! Make it beautiful. Soft hand. Roll. Squeeze it back with love.
Pretty, wow. Oh my god.
And me, นะครับ and then
Decoration. Mine looks a little bit sad.
like make it beautiful.
Yeah. So this is the final product. This is papaya salad, green curry, and then special mango sticky rice with blue butterfly thing. And this is cow soy. Good job, May. So proud of us. Now we're in the night bazaar. We just finished cooking class. Wow, that's intense. Good morning, everybody. This is our first, well, my first morning in Chiang Mai. I have to figure out how to cross this street first, and then I'll explain what I'm doing. And I'm gonna be off to do Hongthong Muay Thai right now. And yeah, I'm gonna train there a little bit. But before that I want to find a bank and maybe a little bit more food.
Left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Move, turn right, dip, Boop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Arm left, swing, right block. 1, 2, boom, boom, right kick. Again, up, boom, boom, boom. Again, boom, boom, boom. Hand up. High. Kick. Yes. Up.
Hello. So I just trained at Hongthong Muay Thai camp. And this is it. It's quite empty now. But it's literally in the middle of nowhere. And this is the accommodation you can stay in. And this is the Muay Thai camp. It's very peaceful out here. I don't know where everyone is. We are in Kanta Elephant Sanctuary, and we're gonna pet some elephants.
Feed them with sugarcane and bananas.
Yum! This one's cute. It has tusks. Look at its tusks. Oh. May, you're natural. Oh my god. Oh, look at the little one. Okay, okay. He's sucking it in. So smart. We're on a song field now, going to Doisita. Definitely gonna need 2 hands. Wearing these thing and it's like way too long on me.
We'll see if I'm still alive.
Wait, do we have to come back down these?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll see you guys at the top. You can see the stairs later. 30 baht to get here. I'm so tired. This is the best
I wonder if I've overpaid it.
Thai iced tea. How much did you pay again?
I think it was like 50. Oh, 80. 80.
All of these everywhere, like fruit cups, which is really nice for breakfast. So right now we're at the Maya Mall in Chiang Mai, and we are in the food court. They have the best food here. It's the food land, and it's on the 4th floor. And these have the best food that we've had. I had the green curry last time. It was bomb. This is a mess, but it's the duck noodles, fried noodles. Eat it with a fork. So this is a blessing.